Today is unboxing day and I've got pieces from the American Alchemy, which has some great casual wear, so you are in for a treat. My name is Tanya Bernadette and I am a stylist and founder of The Closet Edit. We provide services online and offline to help style you in pieces that are functional and easy to wear. And today's unboxing is going to be a huge surprise on what worked and what didn't. A little bit about them in case you haven't heard of them before is that they are women owned. They also love being in the community and supporting other people in business and collaborating with them, which I think is awesome. I think we all are doing that now. And they also are very dedicated to getting products that are good quality and of value. I'm going to start with the outfit I have on first. This denim jacket completely surprised me. So I wasn't quite sure what the fit was going to be like when I got it, but I absolutely love it. It looks like a thicker denim, and it is, but it's super stretchy and comfortable and soft, and it definitely dresses up a look more than a regular denim jacket. So I'm all for white denim jackets right now. The dress here is very popular right now. I'm not sure if you've gone online shopping or seen what's out, but there are a lot of shirts and dresses that have buttons down the front, and this one has button details down the front. It has a loose little tie at the waist, which I kind of like because sometimes when I shop for dresses, the waist isn't exactly where it should be because I'm petite, but this one is loose, so it's not like fitted and uncomfortable. And it also has the adjustable straps in the back, so you can put it up or down however you need it to work. And the length is great, especially now that I have a baby. I'm crawling around and doing stuff, so I like a longer length in my dress and skirts lately. The next few items, I have a Gentle Fawn sweater and the Groceries Apparel pants. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, these pants, I am so in love with them, and I didn't know I was gonna love them as much. I ordered a small and a medium just in case. I didn't want it to be too big because they are the wide leg pant. They call it the drifter pant on the website. But oh my gosh, and the small fits, and it fits perfect. And I could like live in these. They are comfortable, they're stretchy, and they look super stylish. I paired it with the Gentle Fawn sweater because I think this is such a great casual look when I'm running around. I just did a little tie in the front and tucked it in because that looks more flattering on my body, but you can have it just out and loose if you like. The sweater is great because it's in between a lavender and a gray, so it kind of goes both ways when you're styling it. Honestly, I loved all of them, but my most favorites, I'd have to say, are the denim jacket and the pants because they were so unexpected. I had a feeling that I would like it and I wanted to try it on, but when I tried it on, it kind of blew my mind how much I really enjoyed them. And I don't have anything like that in my closet right now, so they integrate really well. What were your favorite items? Please let me know in the comments below. Definitely check out the American Alchemy. Their link is in the show notes that you can see here. And if you haven't had a chance to poke around my website, my Closet Edit, there is so much great content there to help you get started on building a wardrobe that you love. There is an awesome freebie you can download with tips on how to dress and empower yourself right now during this time. And you can also take a quiz that will let you know what your style personality is, 2 stores to check out, 5 pieces to try, and just great blog content. My team and I are here to help you shop online or shop in person.